All right, so my location, this is in Hazelwood at the Reserve Apartments, right off of 270. The flooding over here is pretty bad inside the apartments. Also along Dunn Road, as you walk and see, you still got residents that's still inside of the apartments. The water is pretty deep. Try to get close as I can to let you all see what's going on, even though the rain is coming down. Try to keep myself from try to keep myself being dry. So as y'all can see, they still putting the boats in the water to try to get other residents that's trying to get outside of the apartments. So again, this is in Hazelwood, off of Normandy at Dunn, at the Reserve, at the Winden Creek Apartments. So as y'all can see how far this how deep the water is. A lot of these cars are submerged. All right, again for everybody watching, this is in Hazelwood at the Reserve at the Winden Creek Apartments off of Dunn and 270. As you all can see, the water is pretty deep. You got multiple cars that are submerged in the water from where I'm at. So all inside the apartments. So they are doing rescues to get the residents out the apartments that's trapped inside. As you all can see what's going on. You said Hazelwood Crest. Yeah, it's a block up, so I'm gonna check that out too while I'm in the area. All right, but again, for everybody watching, this in Hazelwood. Again, it's at the Reserve Apartments off of Dunn and 270. The whole apartment complex is flooded. As you all can see, multiple cars are submerged in the water. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer, but not too close, to let you all see what's going on. So yeah, this water is pretty deep. All these cars are stuck as well, and I'm pretty sure they are heavily damaged from the water, as you all can see. Alright, so I ain't finna go too further because the whole apartment complex is flooded. So I can't walk up over there and I ain't finna take no chances. But yeah, they are doing rescues. Try to zoom in on it. All right, again for everybody watching, this is in Hazelwood. Again at the Reserve Apartments off of Dunn and 270. As y'all can see, the water is pretty deep, pretty high. We inside the apartment complex. Again, you have multiple cars that are submerged in the water. That's pretty much heavily damaged due to the water. And the fire department is on boats and they doing rescues at the moment. As you all can see, they coming back this way. All right, I'm gonna let the fire department know. I'm pretty sure they are aware of what's going on over in Hazelwood, but I'll let them know it too. that the residents are stuck in Hazelwood Crest as well. I will pass the information on to the fire department since I'm here.
Just grabbing life jackets for you guys.
All right, again, this is in Hazelwood at the Reserve Apartments. They doing search and rescues at the moment. As you walk and see what's going on. The apartment complex is heavily flooded.
It's up, it's flowing bad. To get any of them out, it's gonna be rough. We'll try and get as many as we can. You got a bunch back
So as y'all can hear what's going on with the fire department.
there. I'll get as many as I can, but it's flowing hard. Careful.
How many stuck still inside? How many residents still stuck?
They just said a bunch. I don't know.
Oh, okay, the exact number. Gotcha.
They said quite a few.
Okay, is it Hazelwood Crest too, or just these apartments? Both. Is it Hazelwood Crest too? The other apartment complex, Hazelwood Crest, down the street.
Myself?
No, Hazelwood Crest, the apartment up the street.
I have no idea. I just got here to.
Okay,
They're going to those apartments right there, as far as I know.
I got you. Appreciate it.
Huh?
Alright, if y'all can let me know the address for Hazelwood Crest, I can pass the message on to the fire departments. The fire department, if y'all can let me know for the lady that said she was stuck inside her apartment in Hazelwood Crest, right down the street. If you can give me the address or inbox me, I can let the fire department, the fire captain that's on the scene I just spoke to, let them know what's going on and get you out safely. Alright, 7321. Alright, I got you. Normandy Court. Or 70. If y'all can give me an address, I can pass it on to the fire department. Oh, okay, Hazel. All right, you said 7411 Normandy Court. All right, I'm gonna pass the information on to the fire department in a minute. Any other addresses that's off of Normandy Court, just let me know. Put it in the comment so I can pass it on to the information.